Look at the monster you made. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, so I am very sure you know what the news is all about right about now. Like, I didn't even get to prepare very well. Like, oh my gosh. Burner boy. Oh, Burner. So it's official. The Grammy Awards, the biggest music awards in the world, just awarded the first Nigerian to ever win a Grammy Award. After being disgraced over time, last year Angelique Kidjo took the award, of course, as an old-timer. But you know what? We always knew that this was going to come. And because of Burna Boy has the mouth, he has the confidence, and of course the talent, he has brought it back home. And oh my, woo, even my hair is messed up and I don't care. Like, I don't care. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Let me just tell you now, all of you haters everywhere, you know, the other people supporting the other people. Oh my God, this is a win for everybody. So I don't feel there should be any hatred here. Although Wizkid also won a Grammy Award, but it was for the Brown Skin Girls, which means it is officially Beyonce Award. So it's not really Wizkid's own award. So everything is just going to be crazy right now, and I know it's going to blow out. Una no go hear what. For now to even a month, you know, Burna Boy supporters, Burna Boy himself, he's going to lash out everybody. But let us just be happy that finally a Nigerian has won. Now let's get back to business. Guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button beside for notification on every post that I make. Don't forget to like this video, share comments down below, and also share this video because I'm going to be giving you everything juicy from now henceforth. Get prepared.